how Nexus is going to benefit you right now. So imagine if Salman Imdad is actually planning this podcast and he has to come to the studio. He has to prepare the lights. He has to make sure the temperature is really good. Now the AC is not working. So he has to make sure the AC is working. The ambience should be cool. The blessed light is always on. It has to flicker at one point in time. The lighting should be good and the ambience should be good. What if I tell you, I'll give you an application wherein I can connect all of these devices. Before you leave your home, you talk to Nexus and say, I need my studio with this condition. Set the temperature of the lights, the exposure of the cameras, the temperature of the AC. I want the
Even the
lighting
cameras.
control. Even the cameras I can control.
Wow.
And not just controlling of the cameras, I can also tell you that if my guests are in my parking lot, identify them with their car plate number. And if somebody else is coming, don't identify. But if, for an example, Muhammad is reaching with his car, this is the car plate number. Identify him with this car plate number and send me a message stating that Muhammad is there. And also send him a message that Salman is on the way. We can do that with Nexus.